I started, I think it was early January of 2007. There was already an early prototype of the U82. We decided that we really wanted more power, we wanted more affordability, and we wanted modularity because we had a vision of an entire line of these DSP coprocessors that scaled from very low level to a very high level, up to 10 times the power. We have a lot of experts in various disciplines contributing to the U82, DSP firmware development, driver development, application engineers for both the Mac and the PC, DSP software engineers that develop the code that runs on the Shark, web software engineers developing the web store. We have our hardware engineer, a very experienced quality assurance team that did all the testing. I think it reached almost 20 people. And we've hit all of our objectives at this point. And so we're quite proud to be releasing this finished product after 18 months of development to the world.
So here in the marketing group, we actually do a wide range of activities for U82. The original product specification, it's called the product definition, and that's brought forward by product marketing. The marketing communications group, or Marcom group, does the advertising design, web design. It's a completely new website for the launch of U82. The packaging design, which the team in-house takes care of all of those things. And then we also have an events group which takes care of trade shows, dealer support, and then the customer service group which takes care of all the calls that come in on analog or UAD products. So if you really want to find more about U82, you can go to our all-new uaudio.com website and see all the UAD rockumentary, of which this interview is a part.
Every U82 that a customer receives was first packaged with love in Scotts Valley, California, and sales and manufacturing have coordinated their efforts down to the last minute. Basically, we've said these are all the orders that we have, these are the configurations that we want them in, and then sent out to its point of destination.
We have U81 customers literally all over the world, all of whom are waiting with bated breath for the release of this product.
Our crack sales team consists of about a 3-point process. At any point in time, you're dealing with a wonderful lady to enter your order, a woman to make sure it's actually happening, and then the order gets passed on to our fulfillment team, who basically look at it, box it up, ship it out. The rest is history.
Every U82 that's built is built locally, so it's all built in the U.S., and it's shipped worldwide right here from our facility in Scotts Valley. There's a number of small groups that comprise a manufacturing group. The first group in the line is manufacturing engineering, who are responsible to make sure that the data coming from engineering is in shape for us to use it, to be able to build the product, build the materials and the like.
Okay, yeah, just ship them ground then.
Purchasing is responsible to arrange for all of the material to be brought in the right quantities at the right time to build the product, and they manage our local subcontractor that builds the boards.
Hi. Hi. My name is Frank Dang, and I am a president of Bestech Manufacturing. We are electronic contract manufacturing, and we are currently building the UA products. We have a group of 20 people that are working on UA products, and U82 we have 3 different cars so far that we're building, that the U82 Solo, Duo, and the Quad. Right now the machine is placing all the passive components onto the U82 Duo, and then after it's done on this machine, it's going to go to the next one. The next one gonna placing all the bigger ICs, bigger components.
is inline inspection. People are gonna inspect them before they put in the reflow oven. Go to the reflow machine, right? And then it will come out on this end here. So you can look at the ball coming out from the oven. The oven gonna have the hot temperature so it can melt the solder paste. So it will solder the components onto the bare board. After the ball coming out the oven, we have the operator kind of double check the balls again one more time. And they're gonna set them on the rack before it go to the washer machines. Completed balls and ready for test. And these are balls on top here that they call UAD2 Solo.
And the test schedule there at the vendor is managed by purchasing. The board house is close by. That gives us, among other things, very close local control. We can turn on a dime because it's all right here.
This is my personal favorite. It sounds fabulous.
The production people are responsible for the packaging of the material when it comes back. So they do the boxing, shrink wrap, all that sort of thing. And that material is handed off to shipping, who put it in the boxes and match it up with sales orders and ship it out to the customer.